everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad for the last video. You sent me so many interesting questions, so many comments, and I'm so glad about the support. It's really encouraging for me as a trader. It shows that I'm doing something for you guys. For those who have joined for the very first time, my name is Alivia. I trade mainly binary options, and today's video I'll show you more technical analysis trading using pocket option. Please don't forget to leave a like. Please don't forget to share this video to anyone interested in crypto trading, and also leave a comment down below. And also you can write me in my Telegram link in the description box. And also please don't forget to hit that notification button. So thank you very much for the support. Hi everyone, so today we are going to trade using OTC currency pairs. OTC currency pairs are only available on the weekend and the night because right now the exchange is closed. They are usually generated by the platform or recorded by the broker because the broker wants the trader to be able to trade at any time. OTC currency pairs fundamental analysis is very applicable as well as technical analysis. So today's trade I'm going to try to overclock my initial deposit, which is $1, and turn it into $900 or $800. That is my plan for the day. So let's go into the trade and see what happens. Here we can see a very good downtrend, and there is still a place to support level. It's much lower, and this situation will enter a trade for 3 minutes with down because I think the trend will continue its downward movement. So I think let's wait and check it. Guys, it's excellent. The downtrend continued and we have got our profit. 3 minutes was quite enough here. So let's look at the next situation in the market. So guys, at this currency pair of Japanese CHF, we can see a downtrend. Also, there is still a place to the support level, and I think that this trend will continue down. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes and let's check it and see. So guys, it's excellent. The trend continued and 3 minutes was quite enough. So I think right now we can consider the next situation in the market. So guys, here we can see a good uptrend, and at the resistance level there is still a place, and I think the general trend will continue up. So I think we should open a trade for 3 minutes up, and let's check it and see, because I think we can expect a small pull back up, or we can expect a flat. Maybe afterwards the downward trend will continue. So let's wait and see. Well guys, it's excellent guys. Trade movement continued and we have managed to close our trade and collected our profit. So I think everything is going well, so let's continue. Here we can see the support level, and the price touched the level, and there was a small rail back up, and now price is again approaching a level. Also in the inner level, the price is at that level. So let's open a 3 minute downtrend and check it, because I think that very soon the price may continue its movement to the main support level. So let's open one and wait and see. Well, it's brilliant guys. The trend continued downward movement after a small pullback up, and we have collected our very good profit. 3 minutes was enough So we can see that the price touched our main support level and rolled back up, and this level hasn't been broken through. So I think we need to open a trade right here for 2 minutes with down, because I think the price movement will continue down to this level and it will be broken through, or maybe it will stay there. So let's wait and see. It's excellent, guys. Here we have got our profits. So now I think let's continue. So here, guys, we can see a good uptrend also to the resistance level. There is a place which is a little bit higher, and I think the trend will continue up to the resistance level. So I think right now we should open a trade for 3 minutes up and check it, because I think it will be quite enough. It's excellent, guys. Trade movement continued up, and here we have collected our profit. So I think now let's continue to the next situation. Here you can see resistance level, and you can see that there was a false breakout. After that, price rolled back down and it's again approaching our level. And now at this moment the price has slowed down a little, as you can see that the green candle is becoming less. So I think there will be a small pullback down or a flat, then upward movement will probably continue. So I think we need to open a trade for 3 minutes up and see the result. Guys, it's excellent. After a small pullback down, the upward movement continued and we have collected our profit. The level has been broken through, and 3 minutes was enough. So let's look at the next currency pair. So we can see a very good downtrend. Also we can see the support level, and I think that price will move to this level and it will be broken through. So guys, I think we need to check it with down for 3 minutes, and let's wait and see, because I think it will, maybe we'll expect a small pullback or a flat, and then downward movement will continue. So let's wait and see. Well guys, not bad at all, not bad. The price continued downward movement and there is a small flat, and now it is stuck to that level. But anyways, we managed to close our trade and collect our profit. So let's look at the next currency pair. So here we can see resistance level, and we can see the price is approaching with our level with a very strong green candlesticks. And I think we need to pay attention to the fact that the price approached this level and slowed down. So I think we need to open a trade for 3 minutes, for 2 minutes, because there is still a change in the situation now, and I think down trade will begin. So I think we should open and wait and see the results. It's not bad. There was a false breakout at this level and price broke down, and we had time to close our trade. So let's continue to the next situation. As you can see here that there is a very good uptrend going on. We can also see it's going up to the resistance level. There is still a place. So let's open a trade for 3 minutes up and wait and check for the results. Well guys, excellent. After a small flat upward movement continued and we have closed our trade and collected profit. 3 minutes was enough. So let's look at the next option. Here you can see a very good uptrend and price touched the resistance level, and after that the price rolled back down, and now the price is again approaching our level and it is sticking to that level. So I think at this moment we need to open an up trade for 2 minutes and wait and see. It's excellent. The price broke through this level and we had time to close our trade and collect our profit. So let's look at the next currency pair. So here we can see that there has been a good downtrend and we can see the support level, and price touched this level and there was a pullback up, and after that the price is again approaching our level. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes, because I think down movement will continue and our level will be broken through. So let's check it and wait for the results. Fantastic. After a small flat downward movement continued and we have closed our trade and collected our good profit. Now the price is kinda sticking to that support level and it hasn't been broken through. So I think we need to open our next trade here, because I think the level will be broken through after maybe a small flat or a small pullback up. I think we should do it with $450 for 2 minutes down, and let's wait for the results, because I think 2 minutes will be quite enough here, and let's check it and see. Fantastic. We have closed our trade and collected our very gorgeous profit. This level was broken through as I predicted, and 2 minutes was enough here, and now my deposit has even exceeded my plan. It's now $900 and I am so glad and so happy. So guys, as you saw, my plan for today has been exceeded. I wanted to get $800 and I got $900. I am so happy and I'm so glad. Thank you so much for supporting this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to share this video to other people. Don't forget to leave a comment and click that Telegram link in the description box, and also don't forget to click that notification button. Until next time, bye bye.